exchanges. One is BSE, that is Bombay Stock Exchange, and one is NSE, that is National Stock Exchange. So today we are going to talk about NSE, that is National Stock Exchange. As you can see in this picture, this is the building of NSE. Now, NSE, National Stock Exchange, was incorporated in the year 1992 to bring about transparency in the Indian equity markets. NSE was set up by a group of leading financial institutions at the behest of Government of India to bring transparency to the Indian capital market based on the recommendation led by the Fairmoney Committee. The exchange was incorporated in 1992 as a tax-paying company and was recognized as stock exchange in the year 1993. Under the Securities Contracts Act in 1956, when P.V. Narasimha Rao was the Prime Minister of India and Manmohan Singh was the Finance Minister, NSE commenced operation in the wholesale debt market segment in the year June 1994. The capital market segment of NSE commenced operation in 1994. November 1994, while operations in the derivatives segment commenced in the year June 2000. National Stock Exchange of India Limited, that is NSE, is the leading stock exchange of India located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Even BSE, that is Bombay Stock Exchange, is also located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. It is the world's largest derivatives exchange in the year 2021 by the number of contracts traded based on the statistics maintained by Futures Industry Association (FIA), a derivatives trade body. Now, what is derivatives? It is a financial security. NSE is ranked 4th in the world in cash equities by numbers of traders as per the statistics maintained by World Federation of Exchanges, which is WFE. Vikram Lime is the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of NSE. Its market capital is US dollars 3.4 trillion. NSE is owned by various domestic and global financial institutions, public and private owned entities and individuals. NSE has total market capitalization of US dollars 3.4 trillion, as I said earlier, making it the world's 10th largest stock exchange. NSE's flagship index is Nifty 50, National Stock Exchange 50. Now, what is Nifty? It is an index in which the 50 top companies are listed. A 50 stock index is used extensively by the investors of India and around the world as a barometer of Indian capital market. V. Vidyanathan, the CEO of IDFC First Bank, estimates that only about 4% of the Indian economy or GDP is actually derived from the Stock Exchange of India. Now, the purpose of NSE. The purpose of NSE is establishing a national-wide trading facilities for all types of securities, ensuring equal access to investors all over the country through an appropriate communication network. It provides fair, efficient and transparent securities market using electronic trading system, meeting up with the international benchmarks and standards. Now, the role of NSE. NSE plays a role in raising capital for business, mobilizing savings for investments, enable the company growth, profit sharing, corporate governance, and the barometer of economy, as I said it earlier. This is the logo of NSE. Now, the milestone of NSE. As I told that in November 1992, NSE was incorporated. In April 1993, it was recognized as a stock exchange. In October 1995, it became the largest stock exchange of the country. In 1996, it launched the Nifty Index. In April, launch of S&P, CNX and NIF Nifty. It is an index. April 1997, Best IT Usage Award by the Computer Society of India. In May 1998, launch of NSC's website, that is www.nsc.co.in. In February 2000, commencement of internet trading. In June 2002, commencement of derivatives trading. It is index features. January 2002, launch of exchange trade funds. In June 2007, NSE launched derivatives of Nifty Junior and CNX 100. August 2008, launch of currency derivatives. In November 2009, launch of mutual fund service system. In February 2002, launch of currency features on additional currency pairs. Now the trading schedule of NSE. Trading on the equity segment takes place on all the days of week except for Saturdays and Sundays. Now, there are two types of equity segments. They are number 1, pre-open session, and number 2, regular trading session.
9 to 9:50 is a pre-trading sessions, and 3:40 to 4 p.m. is also a post-trading sessions, whereas 9:50 to 3:30 is a regular stock exchange time.
NSE offers trading and investment in the following segments. Equity. In equity indices, mutual funds, exchange traded funds, initial public offerings, security lending and borrowing, etc. In derivatives, equity derivatives, currency derivatives, commodity derivatives and interest rate future. Now, this is a very good initiative of NSE, which is NSE Emerge. NSE Emerge is the National Stock Exchange of India's new initiative for small and medium-sized enterprises and startup companies for India. These companies can get listed on NSE without initial public offering, that is IPO. This platform helps the SMEs, that is small and medium-sized enterprises and startups, to connect with the investors for funding. This is the logo of NSE Emerge. Thank you.